Okay children, here I have taken one more numerical, that is, an object is placed exactly midway between concave mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter and convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. The mirrors face each other and are 50 centimeter apart. Determine the nature and position of the image formed by successive reflections, first at the concave and then convex mirror. So now here little bit you have to understand the question thoroughly, then only we can solve the numerical very easily children. Don't feel that by seeing the question only fear. Very easy question, I am here only, don't worry. So listen here. How many mirrors are there here? Concave mirror, second one is the convex mirror. About the concave mirror I am drawing the diagram first. Sir, concave mirror means the colored is outside because you want to decide the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is, you are going to make, if you imagine the sphere, you are going to get the radius is left side. Then I am going to write here, this is for concave mirror. For concave mirror, radius equals to minus 40. Then focal length equals to, that is the centimeter, then focal length equals to minus 20 centimeter. Very good. Second one is convex, like this, colored this side. I told you new Cartesian method, always you have to take about the pole should be at the origin. Then if you imagine the sphere, you are going to get this side. Radius of curvature is given how much children? Radius of curvature is given, this is for convex mirror. I am going to say R equals to 30 centimeters or F equals to plus 15 centimeters R. These two things cleared. So next I am going to the question now. Children, see there, what is the question given? The two mirrors face each other, concave mirror and convex mirror. I am going to take first one is, he told the image formed by successive reflection first at the concave mirror. So now I am going to take the first two mirrors. This mirror is children concave mirror. Sir, this is the principal axis, this is the pole, anywhere, somewhere it is the center of curvature. What is her radius? I am going to draw here, CP radius is how much? Minus 40. You know that thing. And next thing is, next mirror is the convex, and he told that gap between the mirrors is 50 centimeters. And they face each other. They face each other means you have to understand reflecting surface of the concave, reflecting surface of the convex, like this. These both should be opposite to each other. This is the concave, I am writing here concave. Second one I am writing convex diagram. Convex diagram means I am keeping like this. This is the colored inside. Then once observe there, this face and this face both are opposite to each other. So now where is the object? The gap between these two mirrors is how much? The two mirrors gap is 50 centimeters is given here children. Please write it. Next one, where is the object kept? An object is placed exactly midway between concave and convex mirror. Midway, gap between these two is how much? 50. Then object will be where sir means middle I am going to take, this is the object AB. This distance I am going to say U equals to minus 25 centimeter. Why I wrote minus 25 means, I hope you can understand. So total is the 50, object is the middle, that's why it is at the position of the 25 centimeter. Then now where it is going to make the final image, that thing you have to understand very carefully. First see here, this is the object. First I am going to take reflection at the concave, because here it is the given, first reflection at the concave, then reflection at the convex. Nothing is there, children, you have to observe clearly. Sir, this is the concave mirror, this is the object, then somewhere it is going to give the image, somewhere it is given the image. I am going to say, for example, this image is given this side or that side, anywhere it is given the image, that image distance I am going to take V. Now this is the image due to whom? Due to this concave mirror. But this image, are you able to see? No. Why? When it is going to send the reflected rays, if this mirror is not allowing, it is stopping, then again that two rays are going to reflect, final image going to be formed. So now if you get the confusion, I will draw a simple one ray diagram. See here. Now two rules I am following. Sir, if the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, it pass through the focus like this. I have taken this location is focus. Very good. I have taken second ray is coming from the center of curvature, coming from the center of curvature. Now see, if these two rays are coming like this, is these two rays are going to meet? No, because it is getting the reflection, it is also getting the reflection, then it is going to give the image. So now first just I am imagining, may these two are going to coincide. This image formed by whom? This image formed by concave mirror, then V concave. This V concave is behaving as object for whom? This is object for second mirror, because these two reflected rays are falling on the convex. Falling on the convex means which are incident rays, that is from the object. So now these two rays belongs to whom? This one only. That's why this image distance is nothing but object distance for the convex. Again you have to take, this is the object distance, you have to find the distance of image by convex, then that is the final image. So now if these two rays are going to get the reflection like this, it is also going to get the reflection like this, may they are going to meet at the one location, they are going to give the one image like that. Then this is, I am going to say, final image. Maybe it is upward or downward, that is we can't say now, that is imaginary ray diagram. So now this is V concave, this is the final image. This AB is object. I am giving, if it is going to form the image, I am giving the one name is A dash B dash. A dash B dash is image due to whom? Due to concave. Now I am going to ask the question to you. A dash B dash is object for which mirror? Sir, A dash B dash is object for convex mirror. Then last final image is what? Sir, this is the name we are giving. A double dash B double dash is the final image. Then try to do the solution. We are going to follow the same steps. First one is, I am writing for concave mirror. What is the U value, children? U equal to minus 25. Concave mirror focal length is how much? Sir, F equals to minus 20 centimeter. Then what is the V? I am going to say formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. It implies that 1 by V equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Then previous we have done already. 1 by V equals to LCM, if I do FU, U minus F, V equal to FU by U minus F. Then I am doing children here V equals to F is how much children? Minus 20. Very good. U is minus 25 divided by U minus 25. Again here minus is there, minus focal length is minus 20. It implies minus into minus plus 20 into 25 divided by minus into minus plus minus 25 plus 20, it is the minus 5. Then I am going to say answer is F 5 ones are 5 5s are. Answer is minus 100 centimeter. You got this thing. What is meant by this? Sir, can V, this is minus 100 centimeter. Minus 100 centimeter, it means if you keep the object is at the 25 centimeter away from the concave, image is 100 centimeter. Minus means in front of only, left side only. The same direction, image, this concave image, where it is formed? From here to there, this distance you got 100 centimeter. Then now I am going to ask the question, you have to give the answer for me. Sir, from the concave mirror to this image is 100 centimeter. Then now this image only behaving object for whom? Convex. Then you have to say what is the distance of object to convex, because this image only object. Then now from here to here it is 100, from here to here it is the 50, then remaining is how much? 50. Then I am going to write that this image behaves an object for convex mirror. So distance of an object for convex mirror equals to 100 minus 50 equals to 50 centimeter. Don't think that sir has not taken 100, this minus indicating that left side. But now up to here it is the 50. By seeing the diagram you can understand. From here to here it is the 50. From here to here it is the 100. From here to here what is there, sir? Sir, you have to eliminate this one. Then you are going to get the 50 centimeter. One thing is the clear. But this 50 is plus or minus. Because it is the mirror, we have to apply the U value. Then same thing you have to turn. I told to you, this principal axis take like this and rotate. If you rotate like that, just you can imagine children, this image will be back side of the mirror. This image is back side of the mirror means that side, right side. Then U will be what? Positive, because right side is the positive. Then same thing apply for the convex. I am writing for your convex. For convex mirror, U equals to plus 50 centimeter children. Why I wrote 50? I hope you understood. Because you will see that, sir, object should be where? In front of the mirror. It is back side of the mirror. That's why you can rotate like this. You can skip. When you are going to rotate like that, you are going to get, sir, this image is back side of the mirror, right side. Then U is the positive. One thing is the clear. Then focal length is how much? Focal length F equals to 15 centimeter. Then you are going to use the same formula. V equals to Fu by U minus F. Then if you apply this formula, you are going to get 15 into 50 by 50 minus 15. Then answer is 15 into 50 by 50 minus 15, 35. I am going to use the 5 table. 5 7s are 5 10s are. Then answer is 7 15 10s are 150 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 10, 7 ones are 7 and 0, 7 fours. The answer is nearly 21.4 centimeter. From where? From where? This is from the convex mirror. Clear? This is the positive. Positive means which side? Back side of the mirror. Means it is the same side. You are going to get 21.4 centimeter. Is it clear for you children? This is about this